Hello guys, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to disable showing window contents while dragging window in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all press Windows key, then type here sysdm.cpl, then hit enter. In this you select advanced. Under advanced you can see here performance, click on settings. In this you can see here show window contents while dragging. If you are unable this option, you should disable this option. Then click on apply, click on OK. That's it guys. So in this you disable showing window contents while dragging windows in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.